Hello learners, welcome back to my channel Learn with Harini. Now that your January month exam has been completely completed, the last exam happened on 27th Jan. So what are the next step for the aspirants who have taken up the exam? The next step is provisional answer keys will be released by the UGC NET. So the NTA releases the provisional answer keys. So generally it will happen by Feb first week because the last exam got a little postponed and it got completed on 27 January. So these dates right now which I am telling you are tentative, approximate date, because for time to time notification you must visit the official website. The official website I will tag in the comment section and I will also post notifications time to time. The provisional answer keys are done for the February 1st week, and then there is the release. After releasing the provisional answer keys, you can challenge them. Once you challenge them, it means that you feel that certain question has been marked wrong and what you have chosen is the right option. You can challenge it. I think it involves some payment. You can refer the proper instruction. After you challenge it, there will be release of final answer keys. This is the final step. When you get the answer keys, they will give you the answer you have marked in the exam along with the right option. So you can easily get your score by the final answer keys. So the final answer keys are expected to be released between Feb 2nd to 3rd week after challenging the provisional answer keys. Again, this is tentative date. Moving on with the release of the results after getting the final answer key, you will be getting the expected cutoff. So for example, the expected cutoff in your paper 2 and paper 1 put together for your subject code. For example, take I'm subject code 55 and the expected cutoff is coming as 190. It depends upon the various categories. For each people, there will be separate categories. So if the cutoff is 190 and I'm going to score 191 also, I'm qualified for the exam. I'm qualified to become an assistant professor. Whereas if I get, this is out of 300 basically. Whereas if I get 189 also, my required cutoff is 190. For each of the category, cutoff will be given. So I'm not qualified as an assistant professor. So cutoff plays a major role in declaring your result. So again, this particular tentative date can be between Feb last week to March 1st week. If you want to get more notification time to time, follow Learn with Harini. And for people who are going to take up their next cycle of exam, which is going to happen in the month of June, again the notification will be released by the NTA. Based on that, you need to know the syllabus for paper 1 and the subject you are choosing for paper 2. I will post content on the same in my next session. Until then, all the best. For people who are awaiting results, be confident you are going to qualify the exam, and the people who want to give it a retry and for the fresh joinee of this exam, keep progressing, keep preparing each day, put in a lot of effort. You're going to surely win. All the best.